Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best LEGO airport is probably one of the most exciting sets for both kids and adults. This set offers a fantastic opportunity to build and explore the world of aviation, from the bustling terminal to the busy runway. With detailed instructions and a variety of accessories, you can create your own miniature airport and let your imagination take flight. Get ready to embark on a building adventure and experience the thrill of creating your own airport. Number 5. LEGO DUPLO Town Airport 10871. This exciting set lets your little one explore the world of air travel. It includes everything needed to build a bustling airport, sparking their imagination. The set includes an airport building, complete with a luggage slide and boarding gate. There's also a revolving air traffic control tower. It's easy to build with the large DUPLO bricks. This set also features a buildable airplane toy. Your toddler can imagine themselves soaring through the clouds. It's perfect for little hands. With modern characters and accessories, your child can role-play airport scenarios. They can act out what happens before their first plane trip. It's a great way to learn and have fun. This set contains 29 pieces, designed for children aged 2 to 5 years. The airport measures over 8 inches high, and the plane is over 3 inches high. It's a great gift for any young child. What we like. This set is perfect for the little ones. It's designed with large, easy-to-handle blocks, making it safe and fun for toddlers. It encourages imaginative play with airport scenarios, allowing them to role-play and explore. If you have a child aged 2 to 5 who loves planes, this is a fantastic starter set. What people say. The set includes a detailed airport terminal, control tower, and a passenger plane. The set has multiple vehicles, including a baggage cart and fuel truck. The airport set has many accessories, such as luggage, a coffee machine, and a computer. Number 4. LEGO City Airshow Jet Transporter 60289. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this amazing LEGO set. It includes cool vehicles and fun characters, perfect for sparking your imagination. This set comes with everything you need to build a toy articulated transporter. It also includes a trailer to carry the super cool jet, along with pilot and driver minifigures. The set features an articulated transporter with seating for the driver. The jet has adjustable tail fins and a tinted cockpit for the minifigure. This set makes a great gift for kids aged 5 and up. It's perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. When built, the transporter with the jet measures over 3 inches high, 13.5 inches long, and 6.5 inches wide. It's the perfect size for play. What we like. This set brings the excitement of an airshow to life. It features a cool jet and an articulated transporter, perfect for transporting the jet. The set includes pilot and driver minifigures, allowing for imaginative play. If you are looking for a set with cool vehicles and fun characters, this is the one. What people say. Both a 7-year-old and 4-year-old put it together by looking at the picture direction even if they can't read yet. Son loves planes and just got into Legos. Easy to build by himself, 6. This was a hit. My child loves this and has gone onto YouTube to see what else she can build with this set. So many possibilities, definitely recommend. Number 3. LEGO City Passenger Airplane 60367 Building Toy. Introducing the LEGO City Passenger Airplane. This set is perfect for kids aged 7 and up. It's a fun and engaging way to spark their imaginations. This set features realistic detailing and functions. Kids can operate the catering truck and access the airplane's interior. It's like having a real airport experience. Inside, you'll find a detailed cockpit, seating area, aisle, toilet, and catering area. The roof is removable for easy access. It's packed with features for hours of play. Looking for a great gift? This creative building toy is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's sure to be a hit with any young airplane enthusiast. The airplane measures over 7.5 inches high, 18.5 inches long, and 17.5 inches wide. There's plenty of room for imaginative play. The set also includes fun accessories. Use the LEGO Builder app to zoom, rotate, and view the models. It's a fun and interactive way to build. They can view it from all angles as they construct them. What we like. This set offers a detailed interior and an interactive building experience. You can explore the model from all angles with the LEGO Builder app. It includes a variety of minifigures and accessories, enhancing the play. If you like a set with a detailed airplane interior and a fun building experience, you should consider this. What people say. I really like this LEGO set. I like that the directions are really easy to follow and you can go step by step. The airplane looks real and the extra figures and cars were great add-on. They're serious about the number of pieces but the directions are complete. Once it's put together it is pretty solid, and easy to repair if something falls out of place. The accessory vehicles, the people, it's all just great. Number 2. LEGO City Passenger Airplane 60262. This amazing set is perfect for kids aged 6 and up, offering an exciting introduction to the world of LEGO City. It's designed to inspire creative and independent play based on real-life events. The set includes a large airplane, an airport truck with a car elevator, an air stair, and an airport terminal setting. It also comes with a red convertible, 8 LEGO minifigures, and a baby figure. The large model airplane has seating for the pilot and passenger minifigures, including Poppy Star from the LEGO City Adventures TV series. There's also a terminal building with a luggage conveyor and a control tower. This LEGO City Passenger Airplane 60262 building kit makes a great gift for kids aged 6 and up. Boys and girls who love toy airplanes and the excitement of flying will love it. When built, the passenger airplane measures over 7 inches high, 21 inches long, and 17 inches wide. The terminal building measures over 8 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. What we like. This set is an ideal introduction to the LEGO City world. It includes a large airplane, an airport truck, and a red convertible. It inspires creative play based on real-life events. If you are looking for a set that sparks imagination and offers multiple vehicles, this is a great choice. What people say. The plane is bigger than I expected and the wheels turn, which makes it really fun to play with. The model es fácil de armar y de muy buen tamaño, y es perfecto tanto para los niños como si lo quieres como modelo. Number 1. LEGO City Airport 60104 Passenger Terminal Building Kit. Today, we're exploring the bustling LEGO City Airport. This set brings the excitement of air travel to life, offering endless imaginative play. The airport facade features a moving conveyor belt, control tower, security scanner, and revolving doors. It's the hub of all the action, where passengers begin their journey. This set includes a detailed passenger airplane. It has an opening door, galley, and bathroom. It's ready for takeoff. The set also comes with airport service vehicles, including a service car, luggage trailer, fuel trailer, and a mobile stairway. They help keep everything running smoothly. With 6 minifigures, including a pilot and airport workers, you can create your own stories. Accessories like suitcases and a mug add to the realism. The terminal measures over 11 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. The airplane is over 7 inches high, 18 inches long, and 19 inches wide. It's a great size for play. What we like. This set features a moving conveyor belt and realistic details. It includes multiple minifigures, enhancing the play experience. The set offers an engaging and interactive experience. If you like a set with realistic details and multiple play features, you should consider this. What people say. The instruction booklets and numbers on the bags made every piece easy to put together. The details on the airplane, airport, and ground support vehicle and trailers is amazing. It has moving parts and all kinds of nifty little things, like luggage. The plane has a bathroom too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.